Prince Charming misplaces his bride selection quiz, October 21st, 2022. Number 1. How does Frederick like to spend time? A. Doing calm activities such as having picnics. B. Caring for the rose bushes in the royal garden. C. Traveling to faraway places he has never visited. D. Taming tigers that others have been unable to tame. Number 2. Why is Ella excited when she learns that the bard has disappeared? A. She has always been good at solving mysteries. B. She believes she knows where the bard has gone. C. She dislikes the song that the bard wrote about her. D. She thinks that trying to find him will be a fun adventure. Number 3. Near the end of the story, why does Reginald encourage Frederick to go after Ella? A. Reginald misses seeing Ella every day at the palace. B. Reginald knows that Frederick enjoys riding horses with Ella. C. Reginald has promised the king that he would help find Ella. D. Reginald thinks Frederick needs someone brave like Ella in his life. Number 4. When Frederick says that the world outside the palace is dangerous, Reginald says, "That's your father talking." What does "that's your father talking" mean? A. Frederick should start acting more like his father. B. Frederick is forgetting the lessons his father taught him. C. Frederick is allowing his father's beliefs to shape how he thinks. D. Frederick should ask his father's permission before leaving the castle. Number 5. What is one main theme of the story? A. Don't question those who are in power. B. Don't let fear stop you from following your dreams. C. It can be helpful to get advice from many different people. D. It is important to treat others the way that you want to be treated. If you need to hear it again, please rewatch the video. Take your time and do your best.